So now I'm doing my heater core on my 99 Dodge Durango. Starting to get everything taken apart. Got the plastic shields off. I just waiting on mother-in-law to bring me some tools so I can finish getting those nuts unbolted. I lost my ratchet set, so I don't have that. But it's a work in progress so far. I got a lot to take apart, which is gonna suck because it's gonna be all day. But it's nice outside, so it should be good. That's the heater core right here. Brand new. Put it in my baby. She run like a beast. Ain't even got 130 on it. So I'm gonna do a couple more things and I'm gonna get back with y'all with a few more updates. Holla.